Careless driving is one of the most serious offenses under the Highway Traffic Act. It carries 6 demerits, and certainly this is not the kind of thing that you should go in and try to handle on your own. We understand, obviously, that it can be frightening and intimidating to be pulled over by a police officer and given a ticket and be charged under the provincial offenses. Our primary focus is on careless driving and accident charges. Assuming you're charged with a roadside ticket, which is a Part 1 ticket. So when you get that ticket, something has to happen within 15 days. So we would encourage you to call right away. One of the reasons we provide a free consultation is so that they can immediately talk to us and we can help to set their mind at ease. We can almost always help in a meaningful way, and it is important for them to know that there's somebody on their side and someplace that they can turn for help. Ticket Defenders is our registered Canadian trademark. What we do is defend people who've been charged by police officers with driving offenses in Ontario. I'm a lawyer by profession. Coming from a criminal defense lawyer background and also knowing the prosecutorial side of things, I felt that it gave me an ability to develop a firm that would then, under my direction, have paralegals providing the same kind of services. I don't go to court myself anymore. We have a team of trained paralegals that all operate under my direction and supervision. And the important thing for me is to be available to them at all times so that they have that support internally. And that's one of the things that really sets us apart from the vast majority of the other firms out there. Generally, this is the kind of service that really shouldn't be thought of as an expense. Careless driving, because it is so broadly worded, there are defenses that apply. So it's often the case that we can defend them completely at trial and there ends up being no ramifications. We can reduce the merits, we can reduce fines, we can avoid license suspensions. The prosecutors appreciate dealing with professionals because they know that we understand what the law is, we know what the reasonable parameters are, we know what defenses are actual defenses. And so it's much easier to deal with a professional who has experience in the courts than it is to deal with an unrepresented person who might have wild ideas about how the legal justice system works or ought to work. There are advantages that experience and training bring to the table. Let us look after everything right from the very beginning. That's your best assurance of getting the best possible result.